I'm back at Alkek 1 and today I want to show you guys the Immersion studio. Let's go check it out. So I'm here with Koi, the supervisor here at the Immersion studio. So what can you tell me about this place?
This is an awesome place for both student, faculty, and staff to explore XR, which is all types of new media, AR, which is augmented reality, VR, which is virtual reality, and projective AR, also for projectors. Yeah, so students come in here, don on their headsets, play games, relax, or do serious work, doing research, or creating their own games. I mean, we have the money to buy all these assets, which are very expensive, that students can use. So we just have two enterprise licenses for these models where they can put into the VR headsets. And of course, we have 20-something VR headsets, anywhere from $200 to $3,000 here the students can use for free, and use these computers with the state-of-the-art, state-of-the-science computers to run this VR code, or AR, or XR.
Awesome. Do you think you could show me something in the VR?
Definitely. Here's the VR set. This is our entry model. This is the Quest 2.
That was really cool.
So artists and dancers can use this to display their emotion. So you can actually see it in the projector back there.
I can still see it from like the computer screen. Cool. Thank you so much for showing me around. I had a lot of fun checking out the cool stuff here. So where can Bobcats come in and like check more information on?
You can go online under the library, and this is the Immersion studio under Alkek 1. You can sign up for workshops to learn how to make cool presentations for the class. Or you can learn how to make your own interactive 3D website that's cutting edge, at the very edge of technology.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I did not know using the VR was going to be that much fun. Make sure to check out the Immersion studio and stay tuned for the next Alkek 1 video. Bye, Bobcats.